Repair corrupted PST files with Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST Repair, Technician. Brief information about Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST Repair, Technician. Nowadays, PST files are a popular component of Microsoft Outlook. It saves your email contacts, writing notes and other vital items. In some cases, your vital file gets corrupted due to improperly mailbox deletion, unintentional shutdown, system power surge and other worst scenarios. Additionally, hardware failure and malware attack is another common issue through which your several messages and attachments are deleted. Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST Repair, Technician is a good option used to retrieve damaged PST files from such irritating scenarios. This program will find inaccessible files and then save them in a separate folder. What are the outstanding features of Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST Repair? It uses advanced techniques to restore password-protected files. It gives best option to compress all attachments and save them in particular folder. This tool also retrieves oversized PST files. It supports MS Outlook 2000, 2003 and all versions. It has new graphical interface, so it's easy to operate. It has 2 powerful scanning algorithms to repair damaged PST files. This robust application is compatible with all versions of Windows OS. It repairs files in plain text, RTF, HTML and other numerous formats. Why Stellar Phoenix Outlook PST Repair, Technician is good choice for users. In these days, this strong recovery software is available in free download or trial version. It is a part of Technician Edition, so you can easily install and run this proficient tool on your system. Sometimes, you cannot save the retrieved PST files in your desired location. So, don't waste your time in searching third-party tools. And download the full version of software from company's official site. For more information, please visit freesoftx.com. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.